able to create the navigation bar using Bootstrap. We have also saw how images can be placed in the navigation bar. In the current video, we are going to see how we can make various tabs or buttons as dynamic. So how to create dynamic links is what we are going to see in this video. So first we will start by creating an HTML file. So before that, I would like to show what we are planning to do. So currently, as of now, these hrefs are all empty, so they does not contain any URL. So we would like to make this text as dynamic, so that when you click on it, it goes to another HTML file. So in order to do that, first we need to create an HTML file. So right click on templates and create a new file, call it as dashboard.html and press enter. So this is a new file. So in this new file, I would like to create a simple button, so that when we click on that button, you go back to your home page. So in order to do that, so let me just use this simple tag and call href, which gives link to the home page. So link to any page, but basically we want to include here the home page. So let us call it as URL home. So and now create, so close this tag, and in the middle you can create a button, so that, and also mention few styling like type is equal to button, and also mention a class. So we have seen various styling earlier, so we are just trying to include the same here, so that it gives us in a much more styled fashion. So this, we want to get back to the home page. So this is the text which you will see. So let's close the button here, and this is the closing tag, and you have home text. So let us put this home before this closing tag of button, and you have the closing tag for A. So once you place this, so now you have, once you click on this button called as home, you will be going back to the home.html page. So that's what is planned here. So let us also write some content in this page with, say, h1 tag. So close it and write, say, this is a dashboard. So save this, and so we created dashboard.html. Now we would like to place this name of this HTML in the nav bar. So as you can see, when I click on the dashboard, it should go to the dashboard.html. So in order to do that, so I need to place the URL. So once again, open this and close this. Within this, you type URL space, in the single quotes you mention dashboard.html. so you can mention just dashboard also, and you can save it. So when you click on this dashboard, it will go to the dashboard.html, and once in dashboard.html, when you click on home button, it will come back to the home page. So that's the idea what we want to do. But before we use these, we need to mention that in the views.py, creating a method for the dashboard. So let me call it as dashboard, and we all know that request is the default argument, and use the rend or return, and render, the first argument should be request, and here mention dashboard.html. so dashboard.html. So this is what we write in views. So that we know that this HTML file should be in the single quotes, so let us place that and save it. So now we are not giving any context dictionary here, because we are not passing any variable or any input. So these are the default things. So and also we should place in the urls.py of calc app. So copy this and or you can type it path, you can call it as dashboard views dot, once again here dashboard, because our method name is dashboard and the name is equal to dashboard. So once we have done this, we can save this, so that we save this. And also now let us go back to our, so from here it is going to views.dashboard, so views-dashboard, and this is calling dashboard.html. so this is a dashboard.html, and this dashboard.html is once again calling home.html if you click on this button. So let us see what kind of output it generates. So go to this link and follow this link. So currently this is the thing, so but now this is a dynamic link, so I can change the spelling here, which is a wrong thing here, and if I click on home, I'm getting back to the home. So let me say remove these unnecessary things and make it a little more better. So what I can do is, so I can remove this current, and also so other things also we can make it dynamic as you move along. So currently I'm making only dashboard, and also you can change the spelling of dashboard here, save it. So now try to render it. So dashboard, you click on this, you have the dashboard. So now we made this as a dynamic link, so we are able to go back and front. We can also make this also dynamic by giving the appropriate URLs. So that's it. So you can create n number of dynamic links and you can move from one page to another page.